गाइस, सुबह हो चुकी है और ऐसा है सुबह का नज़ारा यहाँ पे। अभी हम जा रहे हैं ब्रेकफास्ट करने, वहाँ पे मिलते हैं। तो अब हम जा रहे हैं स्लोप ट्रेन के पास, जो कि है वाइल्डरनेस्ट रिजॉर्ट में। यहाँ से स्लोप ट्रेन जाती है, वो देखो आप देख सकते हैं, वहाँ से आ रही है। वो आपको ऊपर की प्रॉपर्टी के बाद लेकर जाती है, जो कि वाइल्डरनेस्ट प्रॉपर्टी। वाइल्डरनेस्ट प्रॉपर्टी है, जो कि है बहुत ऊपर सपना गंगा से। जहाँ से हम रह रहे थे वहाँ से हमको दिखाई दे रहा था, बहुत ही ऊपर है वो। Morning there was a trek which I didn't do actually. I was sleeping. So we are come for this. We are going to check the property Wildernest. There you all can see the Swapnagandha resort, swimming pool and the cottages. We have almost reached. This property is well maintained, I feel, than Swapnagandha, because I couldn't find even one chair over there to sit outside, but here there are chairs. We wanted to book here only, but I was not getting a valley view room, so I had to book in Swapnagandha. Here there was forest view cottage available. हाँ, ये cottage है. These are the cottages with valley view. That side there is a pool and restaurant where I'll go now. Maybe see their pool also. But pool view, I guess Swapnagandha's pool is the best because it has a better view than Wilderness. This is the room with pool. ये दूसरी है मेरी. So now we are going to the pool, Wilderness. I'll compare the pool which one is better, but I can say if you all want to choose a property to stay, come to Wilderness. It has many things to explore. The property is big. Sapnaganda it's little small. This has better rooms. Better view. Better cottages. These are all value view rooms without private pool. They have 3 private pool rooms with valley view. The cost of the room is 10,500. Valley view is 8,000. And forest view is 7,000, I guess, for couples. This is a big property, I can say. These are the timings for Wilderness Resort. There are books, Indian snakes, insects, birds, snakes, spiders, butterflies, everything which you all can see. I guess there are photos and history written on that. Yes. And there is a swimming pool and the restaurant over here. This is the restaurant and the bar, and here is the swimming pool. This is the swimming pool over here. It's a baby pool also. And this is the view from the Wilderness swimming pool.